Hey guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Gross Sister makeup tutorial, or the Gross Sisters from Proud Family makeup tutorial. I'm really excited for this video. I feel like I say that all the time, but I'm so excited. I feel like this Spooktorial has been very nostalgic. Like this season has been very nostalgic, just doing like cartoons from my childhood and all that good stuff. So I'm just really excited to be doing this video. So if you guys want to see my Gross Sisters makeup tutorial, just keep on watching. Okay, so first we're going to take the CC Beauty palette, and we're going to take the dark blue from that palette, and we're going to mix it in with a little bit of white. Okay, so now we're going to take this color that we created. We're basically just going to carve out our brows with it and also put it on our lid to like conceal pretty much for eyeshadow. Now we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Instinct palette, and we're going to take the blue row from the palette just to create a nice eyeshadow with. So first we're going to take the BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, and we're going to take the third blue from that row and basically just put it into the crease. Now we're going to take the darkest blue and also put that into the crease. Now we're going to take the black that's next to the blue and just put that on the outer corner and into the crease, and we're going to take that on a M330 brush. Okay. Do I want to do a cut crease? I don't think I'm going to do a cut crease because I feel like I've been doing cut creases for like majority of these videos. So we're just going to take the lightest blue and pop that on the lid. Cute. Okay. So now we're going to do a black wing liner. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to face. So I'm basically just gonna take the darkest blue from the CC Beauty palette, and I'm gonna mix it in with white and then also a little bit of black to just create like the perfect shade, because it's kind of like a ashy blue and this blue is a little bit too dark. So just mix it until you get like the right color. Okay, and now that we have that color, we're basically just gonna put it all over our face. We're gonna blend it out with a beauty sponge. I look like the Blue Man Group. Okay, so now we're gonna take some white and brighten this up. We're gonna put it under our eyes, on our nose, forehead, chin, and Cupid's bow. And now I'm gonna set under my eyes with some Ben Nye translucent powder. Okay, and now we're gonna take the black from the CC Beauty palette and contour with that. And I'm gonna set my entire face with the Ben Nye translucent powder. We're gonna take a Real Techniques buffing brush, and we're gonna take the first blue from that eyeshadow palette and basically just put that under my eyes. And then I'm gonna take the darkest blue and a little bit of the black and just contour with that. For under the eyes, I'm just gonna take a small brush and we're gonna take the black. We're just gonna put that under our eyes. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay, so I just went off camera, put on a lash, and then I also added some black eyeshadow to my lips, and this is the finished Gross Sisters makeup look. I love it so much. There's something about blue and brown eyes that just does something for me. It just makes me feel like blue is my color. Like, I don't know, and I really love the way it turned out. I really feel like a Gross sister. Not that I want to be a bully, but yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you'll follow me on all my other social media. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. I think there's only one more episode left of this Spooktorial season, which is so sad tier, but yeah, if you want to watch previous episodes of this season, that'll be linked down below. If you want to watch the previous seasons of Spooktorial, those will also be linked down below for you. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you are being for Halloween this year. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.